Hello, my most fabulous artists. So today we are going to create the brown and black paper for the branches of the trees for our owl project. To do this today, you're going to need white paper. You're going to need a large Papa Bear brush. You're going to need a paint scraper, tempera paint, and a cup of water with a paper towel. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your white paper, you're going to dip your paintbrush in the brown paint, and you are just going to kind of dab this paint around your paper just like this. Kind of spread out just like that. I'm going to wash my paintbrush off. Remember, whenever you are going to dip into a new color, you have got to have that paintbrush clean and dry. So notice I wiped the side of my cup and now I'm drying it with a paper towel. I'm going to take black. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm dabbing it in. Also, don't forget when you dip into the paint, you do not want to get the metal part of your paintbrush. You don't want any paint on that. Okay, so what I've done is I have now dabbed around my paper. I'm going to put my paintbrush in my cup, and there's two ways you can use this. You can use this side of the scraper, and you can scrape across just like this. You can scrape across, you can scrape up and down just like this. The other thing you can do is you can use the back side of the scraper, which is this side, and you can pull across like this. And this is making like a squeegee, a squeegee on your paper. That's kind of neat. I'm going to go ahead and do that up here as well. Ooh, I really like that. That is going to make some really nice painted paper for our branches. That almost looks like a branch, doesn't it? So what I want you to do, and you can definitely leave some white spaces, but I'd like you to do that across your entire paper. Don't forget, when you are finished, you need to take this over to the sink, get it completely clean. You need to take your paintbrush to the sink, clean it, put it back where it goes. Don't forget, when you put the paintbrush back, the bristles, the hair of that paintbrush has to be sticking out, just like this. All right. And then you're going to go ahead and clean up your table. You know, your paper goes over to the drying rack. Have a great time making these brown painted papers for our branches.